Guys, what's up? So long time no see. It's really was because of incident, but I'm back again on for you guys. So today our topic is a review of two products which I bought long time ago, and there is a proof also in YouTube because when you search on my YouTube channel there is a shopping video, a Nika haul video, which was I think on December or January last year. So I had tried this for a long time now. And talking about the products, the two products are, first is Dot & Key Ultimate Spot Corrector 10% Niacinamide and Skin Clearing Serum. The second product is this is the Dot & Key Hydro Peel Glow Potion with 10% AHA. This much is left, like this dark purple was. So this is a peeling glow potion and this was a niacinamide serum basically. So I have gave them a really long time, and finally after I think using it more than 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, more than using it 9 months, I am now properly sure what the product has helped me or not at all helped me, which I will tell you briefly in my this video. So without further ado, let's start. So I want to say also a disclaimer for my video that all my skincare review videos will never have a minimal makeup on my face. I maybe would hardly have my eyes and lips done as well as now, but I will have not done any foundation, any concealer on my face, so you can generally see what my face looks like in general, so you can understand also what the skincare is in benefit. So please excuse me for my face first of all, and let's begin the first review. First, because I'm reviewing the Dot & Key Niacinamide Serum, I want to say a simple one line that a niacinamide serum comes on different niacinamide portions. Like some niacinamide serums has 2%, some has 3%. Popular ones right now on Nika, Purple, everywhere has maybe 2 or 3% niacinamide, but they are not gonna work in your skin because a niacinamide serum has to be more than 10%, then only your on your face it will work. Just like the vitamin C ones, you can see many vitamin C 10%, 15%, but that will not work. You actually need more than 20% or 20% vitamin C in your serum, then only it will work. So talking about niacinamide, this niacinamide serum has 10% niacinamide in itself. And talking about the ingredients, it's pretty much clear because first of all the ingredient list will be just here and you can read all the ingredients, and I don't want to go too much on ingredients because these are like properly tested kind of products, so you don't have to really take care. And also first of all, this kind of products our I think is free from animals, from animal testing, so something I like about these products. So talking about the working system, this serum has a really watery consistency. I will make you see, you guys. So obviously you have to shake before using it, and this also has zinc, vitamin E, B5 and glow boosting formula as it says, and it has a really liquidy formula. It is just like water on your skin. It will drip really fast. So it's I think it is not that much hydrating or anything compared to I think essence or serums. This is not at all hydrating. This is like a second part of your skin, like you use after your face wash, just like a toner, because I think niacinamide is used after toner. So this has this kind of property, and this is really watery and really dripping formula. And niacinamide is something you can, if you use it consistently, then only it will show on your face, just like vitamin C serum. So you have to be really consistent. So talking about this product I am like giving it 3 out of 5 because of all my skin never had any kind of bad things which I have seen in later years. So my skin have never done that. So even after using this, I can't see that much of greatness on my face. So this was like a good niacinamide serum, but not really changed my face because I already never had any kind of dark spots. But I had a dark spot on my nose from I think I don't know how much years it was there, but it never goes off. I think it's like a birthmark or something, but I am using it more than 9 months now. Come on, it need to be do said. I have done something with that mark, but it hasn't done anything. So for me, price wise, it is really pricey for me because I'm from a mediocre family. I don't have that much of money to spend on my skincare products and everything. I only buy I think 1 or 2 times on sales even a year. So the price is 1095 and the expiry is on 2023. So talking about the price, it is I don't think that much worth of it because there is also many another niacinamide serums available in the market which are really popular than this, and I haven't really enjoyed this product. So I will say that if you have like a oily skin, I have dry skin, I haven't seen any much of like hydration or anything on my face, but I think for oily skin girls can use this. Yeah, that's how I liked it, this serum, and it was 30 ml, just waste of money for me. So now I'm going to talk about exfoliating serums. So this is also cost on 1095 and this has 10% AHA and 2% BHA exfoliating serum with grapefruit and borage flower, and this also has 30 ml. So talking about this one, I really enjoyed this. I loved this. So I have thrown my scrubs a long time ago. I never use scrubs or anything. I use gentle serums or kind of acid masks. You have already seen on my skincare videos. I never use scrubs or anything. So talking about these serums, I have this much left. Like means one pump is left in this bottle, but still I will show you guys. They all come in this kind of pump, by the way. So this is a really light. This has a really light purplish kind of color, and this is kind of like a jelly but in a serum. So I really like this product. Says you have to apply it for 30 minutes or so. All the packaging and directions are on the package, so you have to apply it for 30 minutes or so and then you can wash it off. And in some products there is also that you can apply it overnight, but I like it better to be wash off before I sleep. So talking about this serum, I will give it 4 on 5 for like how gentle is Dot & Key products. I think also niacinamide serum, if you will not get any benefit from it, I don't think it will hardly do any skin rashes or any kind of skin issues with you. So they are really gentle and there are no nasty chemicals. That is the second plus point. That, and I think they also use natural products, and I think they are animal cruelty free. So these are all nice things. And talking about how many Dot & Key products I have tried 2 serums. I have shown you guys already. So in that I like the exfoliator more than the niacinamide. I really don't think niacinamide had even worked anything on my skin, but for the exfoliation serum I would give it 4 in a 5. I really enjoyed that serum, and I also think that it has really cleared up my skin, the exfoliating one. And talking about the work and everything, you can see on my another video, I don't use scrubs anymore. So yeah, this was my 2 serums review, which is really short, really simple, and really to the point, and also without any makeup, so you can see what my skin actually looks like. So these were my reviews for these 2 serums. You guys have learned something from it, and also tell what kind of products you want me to use, and also what you personally think about these products, because I have already said what I think about these 2 products. And yeah, that's my video and my all thoughts about these 2 products. And soon there will be many reviews and many dozens of products which is available in the Indian market and is running our Indian market. So let's slowly and steadily be there and get all the reviews, and only then we will buy something nice for ourselves. No nasty things we will buy for our skin. We will always see a review, at least 1 or 2 reviews for our skin, and then only we will buy it. Be really careful on your skin, because skin is the largest organ on your body. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe and do watch my videos and like them, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.